What's up, everybody? It's your main man. Got a little educational video here today on the nature of satire. So, what is satire? Um, it's a way of talking about um, issues that maybe aren't, if you know, uh, it's a means of talking about issues that aren't really for the public lexicon yet. It's a way of communicating maybe serious ideas in a comedic lens. Most of you know Moist Boys. It's been a long-running political satire channel for the past 10 years, over 10 years.